Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this printer. This is Epson Expression Home XP255. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 3-in-1, in the sense you can copy, scan and print from this printer. This printer is dual band. You can connect it to Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, or with USB cable. What we want to do is unbox this stuff. This printer is actually a used one, okay, but I want to check this printer out and review it, okay. This printer is using ink 29 or 29 extra. Okay, and this is the CD-ROM. This is for you to stick this to your laptop to download the software. So this is software disk, okay, XP255. So you stick this to your computer, you download the software. But if you connect this printer using your mobile device, then you don't need the software. And this is the photo paper, value glossy photo paper, and this is information pack. The power cable, let's see what it looks like. So from the back, you load particular paper. Real paper tray is this printer using, so you load particular paper you want to use. The back, real paper tray, and this is the scanner, flat Dell scanner for this printer. If you open up this printer, the ink cartridges is by the corner, okay. Going to plug this to the power. And at the back here, so the USB cable goes in here, and the power cable goes. This is where the power cable goes. We're going to plug this to the power socket. Okay, and this printer, you switch it on and off from here. This is the on and off button. So this is the on and off button. So switch this printer on.